and you've tried and tried and tried, then it might be time for you to do the work of detaching, of maybe might be going no contact or modified no contact. You have to be willing to do this work, otherwise you're going to continue to go around that hamster wheel of trying to get someone to do something they know they need to do, but they're not willing and open or aware, or just his environment, their environment, the people in their ears, how they grew up, influences, all those are factors why he's not willing or open, or just not mature enough, or just doesn't have the bandwidth to be the. And not having faith in what you're doing is only going to cost you your mental health and your physical health. Because the society in which we are, they villainize single mothers a lot of times.